about your horse Boston here.
He's 6 years old. We got him this summer as a heel horse, and this winter we started taking him to barrel races, and yeah.
From what I've heard, you do pretty much everything on him. Tell me about all the different events you do.
I pole bend on him a little bit. We got him started in the goats, barrels, breakaway, and heeling.
How's he been doing through all the different events and stuff like that?
He's good. We haven't really took him anywhere, but for the barrels we've entered him a couple times, and he's doing good.
How's he to haul? Pretty easygoing, doesn't?
Yeah, he's very easygoing. Not much bothers him.
That's what I was gonna say. How do you like riding him around every day and stuff like that? What's his personality like?
He's kind of like in your pocket all the time. He loves pets. He just loves pets, I guess, and treats.
Yeah. So, tell me what you hoped for him to become.
I hope that somebody takes him on and gets him finished in every event, and he just makes a nice horse for them.
Yeah, to me he looks like he's one that would just fit everybody in the family, does everything, very easygoing, just a good boy. Would you agree so?
Yeah.
How do you like him around the pattern? How do you ride him? How do you school him? Stuff like that.
He's more of a push style. He can be kind of lazy sometimes, but I usually don't really, we don't usually work him around the barrels, just kind of ride him and keep him in shape.
Do you rope on him as well, or is he one that just your dad ropes on?
No, I rope on him too, so does my brother. Kind of all of us rope on him.
Yeah, he's a good boy for being so young and everything. Thanks for bringing him to us.
Mm-hmm.